This is the way you make me feel, like I'm shiny and new. This is the way I always feel when I'm dreaming of you.
In pursuit of durability, sturdiness, and innovation, it can feel like many manufacturers treat weight as an afterthought. Because of all the materials and engineering involved, foldables are inevitably going to struggle with keeping things light. Huawei's new Mate X3 features an impeccable hardware package that tips the scales at just 239 grams, a smidge heavier than the 233-gram Oppo Find N2, but 10% lighter than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. Despite the low weight, the Mate X3 doesn't sound like it's making many compromises. The IPX8 water-resistant body sports a teardrop hinge for the 7.85-inch inner display. That big screen is nearly square when unfolded, with a 2496 by 2224 pixel resolution, while the 6.4-inch cover display maintains a taller 20.9:9 aspect ratio with its 2504 by 1080 pixel resolution. Huawei gives the phone a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC with 12 GB of memory and up to 1 TB of storage. A 4,800 mAh battery keeps things going, and 66-watt wired charging support clubbed with 50-watt wireless support should help reduce recharge times considerably. Like any other good foldable flagship, Huawei has loaded the phone with cameras. An 8MP selfie camera in each of the displays, and a triple camera array on the back, comprising a 50MP f/1.8 primary shooter, a 13MP f/2.2 ultra-wide, and a 12MP 5x optical zoom telephoto lens. Because of the US sanctions against the company, this model is missing your standard Google apps. Just like other recent Huawei phones, the Mate X3 also lacks 5G connectivity because Huawei doesn't have access to the requisite modems. If those weren't disappointing enough, Sam Mobile points out Huawei may not be completely honest about the Mate X3's bezels either. According to Twitter users, the edges around the display aren't nearly as slim as they appear in the company's product renders used for promotional material and the launch event. Presently, Huawei has introduced the Mate X3 only in China, and there's no news about international availability. The 256GB variant retails for $1,906, the 512GB model costs $2,052, and the top-end 1TB model will set buyers back by $2,345. An eventual debut on the other side of the globe feels unlikely because of the lack of 5G and Google apps, but you never know.